Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by copying the full YouTube URL from the browser, including https://. Once done, open the Excel file and click the cell where you want the link. Now choose whether you want the raw URL to show or a friendly label like Watch Video. This matters because the method we use, hyperlink, lets you separate the visible text from the destination. So pick the cell, prepare a label if needed, and get ready to type the formula. Next, enter the hyperlink function. Type equals hyperlink, paste URL here, display text. Once entered, press enter and Excel turns the text into a clickable link. If you want dynamic links, concatenate parts like equals hyperlink, https://youtube.com/watch, v equals and a2, play video. Make sure you include quotes around static strings and keep HTTP or HTTPS intact. Otherwise, Excel won't recognize the destination. This method keeps your sheet tidy and lets you control what users see. Finally, test the link by clicking. It should open in your default browser. Once verified, format the cell style, adjust text, or drag the formula to fill adjacent rows for many videos. If a cell shows plain text, convert it by re-entering the formula or using paste special values after creating links. If the link won't open, make sure it starts with https:// and check Excel's Trust Center for blocked external content. This single troubleshooting tip solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.